Hi, today we're going to see how to create an autumn effect in GIMP. So I'm going to use this image. I will put the link of the image in the description box. So in order to change the colors of the leaves here and the grass, the green here, go to colors here, hue and saturation. And here you can target each color here and then change it. So I'm going to target the yellow here. As you can see, there's some yellow color in this image here. So if you move the hue slider, as you can see, it will change the color. So I'm going to aim for an orange color. So I think this one here. So this one, red-orange color. So here you can adjust the lightness here, and here's saturation, the level of colors, the strength of the color here. So I'm going to bring it back to 0 here, like this. This one too, 0, and then press enter. So now we're done with the yellow, and now I'm going to change the color of the green here, this one here. So I'm just going here, try to match with the first color, with this one here. Here I think it's okay, and now I'm going to change the color of the blue here in this image. So here, like this. So I'm going to aim for the same color here. I will give it an orange-red color here. I think I'm going to increase a little bit the level of the red here. I think it's too much here. Maybe like this. So I think here it's okay, and now press OK. And now I'm going to add some light here, like golden sun rays. So I'm going to create a new layer, click on this icon here, fill it with transparency, press OK. And now I'm going to take the color picker tool and then try to find a kind of golden color. This one, I think it's okay here. Then maybe I'm going to try to make a reddish color. So I'm going to take this one here. The HTML notation is C77E1D. Press OK. And now I'm going to change the background color. So I'm just going to switch between the foreground and background. And then change the background color here, this one here. So take the gradient tool. Here, like this. Make sure the shape is linear. And the name of the gradient is FG to PG, foreground to background. And now just trace here like this. Make sure the brown color is on top here and the dark color is below here. So like this. Press enter to confirm the gradient here. And now let's change the blend mode to screen. So here, as you can see, it's too much. And now we just need to reduce the opacity. So here, I think it's okay here. So if I hide the gradient layer here, you can see the before and after. So I think here it's okay. And now right click on the gradient, new from visible. And as you can see, I will press the plus key on the keyboard here. The colors are almost all changed here. So here it is. That's how you can create an autumn effect in GIMP. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and till next time. Bye-bye.